If you like bold graphic quilts that come together quickly, this one's for you. Hi, I'm Emily from Homemade Emily Jane, and today I'm super thrilled to share with you my newest quilt pattern, the Catalyst Quilt Pattern. It's designed as a single block to deliver maximum visual impact, and it's really great for beginners to try out some new techniques without committing to doing them over and over and over again. I'll invite you to grab the Catalyst Quilt Pattern from my shop, and you can find the link in the description below. This pattern is all about clean lines and lots of strong geometry. It features 2 at a time half rectangle triangles and a bold center economy quilt block, which actually took a lot of quilting math and was kind of difficult to figure out for me, but I'm really glad to have perfected that math for you. The Catalyst Quilt Pattern was actually born out of an idea that stemmed from a comment here on YouTube. I have another pattern that's kind of similar. It's called the Paradigm Quilt Pattern, and it's another just single 1 block quilt that is scaled up for a very visually impactful design. The Paradigm Quilt Pattern is a bestseller in my shop, a crowd pleaser, everybody loves it. It's very common for baby quilts because it's so fast to make. It's perfect for that last minute baby shower gift. And someone here on YouTube left a comment asking if I was going to make any more 1 block wonder quilt patterns because she loves Paradigm so much. So months later, it's finally here, the Catalyst pattern. I think people love big single block quilts because it's faster assembly, fewer seams, and really just a fun way to play with fabric that you probably already have in your stash, and a fun way to mix and match different colors and contrast to see how it looks. You'll see here this center block has like a center square and then a color around it and then another like background square. And I wanted to share that you don't necessarily have to adhere to the same background if you wanted to mix and match the colors in the center. It's a really fun way to add even more depth into the pattern. The Catalyst Quilt Pattern includes 3 sizes: a pillow size, which is perfect for a mini quilt, a wall hanging, or of course a pillow, a baby size, and a throw size like I showed here. If you want to turn it into a bed size, I recommend adding borders to the throw size. It's just not practical with pieces this big to make a much larger block than this. So that's why there's no bed size in the pattern. But I've seen people have great success with the Paradigm pattern by adding borders, and I'm sure it would look really cool here too. So what's the skill level for the Catalyst Quilt Pattern? It's definitely a little bit more advanced than a beginner pattern. I would call this intermediate. It just has some more difficulty than just sewing straight squares together. So I would think if you're confident in your 1/4 inch seams, if you're comfortable sewing on the bias, if you have practiced making a half rectangle triangle before, those are all skills to build up to being ready for this pattern. If you feel confident in your sewing skills, this is a fantastic pattern for you to try out. And I have a tutorial to help you through a few of the different techniques too. So the 2 main techniques are the center economy quilt block. You can check out that tutorial here. And the half rectangle triangles, which are on the edges. And those are made using the 2 at a time method. And you can check out that tutorial right here. Watching and learning both of those techniques will set you up for success as you make your own Catalyst quilt. If you want to know the fabric requirements before you commit, I'll put them up on the screen for you here. As I mentioned earlier, you can use a little bit of creative freedom with some of the pieces in the background, but not a ton. So you do need quite a bit of fabric for the background fabric and the additional fabrics. It's a really fun way to play with different color combinations, messing with different contrasts, or using some prints that are some larger scale prints that you really want to show off. It's also a fun way where if you're using solids like I tend to do, you can really show off some amazing quilting. So this cover quilt of the Catalyst Quilt Pattern was quilted by Megan from Northern Designs, Minnesota, and she did a fantastic job. I'm going to put a link to her website in the description below. If you are looking for a long arm quilter, you've got to check her out. I was able to mail her my quilts and she got them back to me so quickly too. So if you need a long arm quilter, no matter where you are in the US, you can mail them to Megan at Northern Designs, Minnesota, and she will do an amazing job for you too. As you're getting ready to make your own Catalyst quilt, you might want to check out the coloring pages. I made coloring pages for all of my quilt patterns and they're all free, available over on my website, homemadeemilyjane.com. I'll put a link to the coloring pages spot on my website in the description below, and you can download all of your favorites, especially the Catalyst Quilt Pattern coloring page, and that's where you can really play around with some different colors and see how you want your Catalyst quilt to end up looking. I'd love to share with you some inspiration for making a Catalyst quilt. I made 4 samples because I was having so much fun with it. So I made this throw size quilt for the cover, of course. This is all solids. They're all Colorwork solids by Northcott that were gifted to me from Missouri Star Quilt Company. So really wonderful fabrics to work with, and if you're looking for Colorwork solids, there are over 250 colors, I think, and Missouri Star Quilt Company carries those. I also made this other throw size. I used all Riley Blake Confetti Cottons, and these ones are just so soft, luxurious, and kind of a more feminine spin to a bold pattern. So this is the throw size I made. I actually made this throw size to complement the cover quilt on the Paradigm pattern, so they're kind of like sister quilts now. I also made this baby quilt. This is a baby quilt that's a little bit outside of my typical color range. This baby Catalyst quilt was made for my nephew Hudson, and it is inspired by his nursery decorations. So I went with a more earthy color tone using some browns and greens, and then the nursery theme is like safari, giraffe, adventure. So I did this really fun jungle themed quilting design. So to do the quilting, I used my embroidery machine and a Designs by Juju, and I did end-to-end quilting on the embroidery machine, which was a lot of fun. I will share more details about that process over in the blog post about this quilt, which I have blog posts up about all my quilts. So if you want to see specifics, find specific colors, find out about different techniques, visit my blog. And then I also made, finally, the 4th sample that I made was this sample mini quilt. This was the pillow size of the pattern, and it is just a fun one made with scraps from my stash, and then I did just simple straight line quilting on it. So I hope that these samples inspire you as you prepare to make your own. Now, if you're ready to make a quilt that's bold, modern, and fun, make sure you grab the Catalyst Quilt Pattern today and drop a comment below to let me know what you think. Of course, make sure you subscribe here on YouTube and go find me over on social media. I'm at Homemade Emily Jane on Instagram and Facebook. All right, thanks for watching and happy sewing.